This is how to cut 90% of recruitment work. Let's work through each step in the recruitment process and see exactly how one-click worker cuts the time to complete each step down by anything from 50 to 100%. Yes, most of the steps are 100% automated and don't require any human involvement. Create a job listing. Create a job listing. Enter the usual information about your job and configure the automation settings. Source candidates. Select a job and click Source Candidates. The AI will review the job description and start sourcing candidates that match the job description. Score all of them, sort them based on how well they fit the job requirements, and generate custom outreach messages for each one of them. The outreach messages are not generic messages. These messages meet specific criteria. 1. They include content relating to the individual candidate's background. 2. They present the new position in the most positive way possible. In order for these outreach messages to work, they must be customized for each individual, and they must sell the new job opportunity by making it as appealing as possible without overselling. The only human involvement required in this step is copying the messages into LinkedIn and sending them. Why did we decide not to automate sending messages? This tool does not scrape LinkedIn, and you don't have to be logged into LinkedIn for it to work. The LinkedIn terms of use don't allow you to use automated tools. If you do, your account will get banned. Percentage of work eliminated, 90%. Accept applications. When candidates apply for a job, they'll be automatically added to the application stage of your recruitment pipeline. Pre-interview job fit report. The AI will review the job description, resumes and cover letters, and use that information to generate a job fit report and a job fit score for each candidate. The job fit score is a number out of 100 that reflects how well the candidate matches the job requirements. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. You also have control of the job fit settings, so you can make sure that the job fit reports include the information you need and the job fit score is calculated the way you want it to be calculated. Shortlisting. When the closing date for applications has been reached, the AI will shortlist your candidates based on your automation settings. For example, if you want a shortlist of 6, the AI will automatically select the 6 candidates with the highest job fit scores and move them to the shortlist stage of your pipeline. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Virtual interview invitations. Now the AI will decide who to invite to do a virtual interview. The number of candidates invited is determined by your automation settings. If you decided that you wanted the top 3 candidates from the shortlist to do virtual interviews, the AI will automatically select the top 3 candidates based on their job fit score and invite them to do a virtual interview. The AI will also automatically move the job application cards of these candidates to the virtual interview stage in your pipeline. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Virtual interview questions. The AI will review the job description and the resume and the cover letter of the candidate and generate custom interview questions for the virtual interview. So these questions are not generic and they'll be different for each candidate. If you added any mandatory interview questions in your automation settings, these questions will be prioritized and the AI-generated questions will be used to fill the remaining interview time. This is obviously optional. You don't have to add any of your own questions. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Conduct virtual interviews. The AI will conduct the entire interview. You can choose between 3 interview methods: a lifelike AI avatar, a lifelike audio avatar, or a text interview. This is all decided in your automation settings. This is an example of the AI avatar interview. Candidates can do their virtual interview anytime. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Virtual interview recordings and transcript. Regardless of which interview method is used, all candidates will be video recorded and transcripts generated. The video recording and the transcripts will be viewable by clicking the badges on the job application cards. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Questions for the human interview. Although human interviews are optional, we still recommend you do them. You can generate custom interview questions with one click. The AI will review the job description and the resume and cover letter of the candidate and generate interview questions relating to the specific candidate. You just need to review it and top it up as required. Percentage of work eliminated, 90%. Human interview transcript. If you decide to record the human interview, you can upload the audio and get a transcript with one click. This is going to be important for the next steps. Percentage of work eliminated, 99%. Post-interview job fit report. When the interviews have been completed, the AI will review the transcripts of both the virtual interview and the human interview and generate a post-interview job fit report and update the job fit score. The only difference between a pre-interview job fit report and a post-interview job fit report is that the post-interview job fit report includes an assessment of interview performance. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Comparing candidates. Even if you've narrowed down the applications to 3 candidates, it can still be very time-consuming to read resumes, job descriptions, and interview transcripts multiple times in order to figure out the best candidate for the position. The Candidate Explorer allows you to select a job, then select between 1 and 5 candidates, and use AI to ask any question about any candidate. When answering questions, the AI reviews the job description, the resumes of all of the candidates, the interview transcripts of all the candidates, and the psychometric test results if they exist. For example, compare the psychometric test results of Jonathan Mitchell versus Maria Gonzalez, and let me know which one is best suited for the job. Let me know the strengths and weaknesses of Jonathan Mitchell versus Maria Gonzalez for this job. Percentage of work eliminated, 80%. Select the best candidate. Selecting the best candidate is something that should probably be done by a human, but if you decided to go with the 100% automated options, then the AI will review the candidates that have a post-interview job fit report and select the candidate with the highest job fit score as the best candidate. The successful candidate will be sent an email notifying them that they've been selected for the position and gives them instructions about what to do next. No human involvement required. Percentage of work eliminated, 100%. Outro. There's no other platform in the world that provides this level of automation across the entire recruitment process. The best way to figure out exactly how much time and money you can save by using one-click worker is to use our advanced calculator. Just enter your own data and assumptions and generate detailed results that apply to your organization.